Hello guys, welcome in our course of Supply Chain Fusion. Starting from Oracle Supply Fusion, if you are speaking about a fusion as a beginning, you know that is now the market is going on all the market and applications is going to the cloud solutions for many purposes and various needs. So if you need to know one of the main factor, something like a resource cost, you don't need to be on site. You don't need to have a database. You don't releasing costs and reducing costs. So let's speak about our course, the supply chain fusion. So beginning off, we will speak about what is the fusion in the first module, fusion essentials and overview. We will speak about the Oracle Supply Chain Cloud, how it's managed in Oracle Cloud. And after this, we will check how we can be familiar with the application, the navigators, and something like this. And how the Oracle Fusion is working regarding an implementation, how it considers that the implementation must have a different the implementation will have different number of resources that will work on this implementation, how the manager will manage the resources and of the implementation on-site application. After this, we will take a deep description for the enterprise structure for the fusion as well. The next class we will speak about the inventory, and we will start by the setup of the inventory, starting from something called the business units and inventory organizations. And we will speak about the catalogs more deep. It's very important here in Oracle Fusion, and we know that it have many purposes here. And we'll speak about the item classes and the security regarding the item and templates, and we will check it and go on it inside our course, inshallah. Inventory transactions, we will take a full overview regarding the inventory transactions. Let's say after this, regarding the procurement, after finishing the inventory, we will go to the procurement, how we will be able to set up the procurement or purchasing, to be more specific in a few steps, inshallah. And we will speak about something new in Fusion. It's called a tab transaction accounting builder. This is for the accounting of purchasing, and we will do some of procurement activities. After this, we will speak, and this is one of our main or major differences between us and different courses, that we will speak about the advanced modules as well. We will speak about the supplier and supplier qualification, how we can create a supplier, and we will go deep regarding this, and how we can define it and define its context, and we'll go deep really in the supplier, and speak about the supplier portal and supplier log and how we can manage it to let the supplier enter his data and or something like this. After this, we will speak about the supplier qualifications, why I can choose this, and how the application, how I can make a qualifications for the suppliers. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions, we will speak about the terms and conditions. Okay. After this, we will talk about the procurement contracts and the integration between the contracts and the terms, and how we can create a purchasing document throughout this contracts. Sourcing module, negotiations, all type of negotiations. We will speak about it, an overview in the beginning, and we will show you the request for quotation, how you can create a request for quotation, auctions, all type of negotiations existed on Oracle Fusion. After this, we will go to the accounting, mainly we speak about the SLA and how we can set up the receipt account regarding any receivings inside the application or inside the confusion, and we will see how we will run the process from the beginning and do the process from the beginning until creating the journals. The same for the cost accounting regarding the cost, and of course we will find the difference between the Oracle e-business as an example, cost accounting, and the here cost accounting. And there is a type of costing setup, not a costing accounting, and that's just we will also take a look regarding the costing inside the costing setup regarding the costing profile and costing organizations, and it's very flexible, and I'm sure that it will be very interesting to us to show and see how deeply I can calculate the cost and make our cost accounting regarding it. After this, the order management, which is all too will be rare, and there is very little resources in Middle East and different at world, and I'm sure about this. Very little resources know the order management because it's a newborn inside the Oracle Fusion. Just 6 months or 8 months, but we will show you, inshallah, the order management setup for standard cycles. And customer requires something, and picking, shipping, and until the invoice. And we will speak about the difference between the order management here regarding the pricing and between it and between the e-business. There is something like a different strategy and different idea here regarding the pricing inside order management fusion. And we will speak about a module called global order promising and how you can calculate your ATP rules and how you can adjust your sourcing for each order or per order or item categories, and as well at the end to be more efficient, to know more technical how regarding the fusion, how I can do something new. Look, actually, you know, when we did when you see, inshallah, the Oracle Fusion supply chain introduction and the Oracle Fusion as well introduction, you will find that the business we will say that the development is very rare here. There is no development such as a e-business regarding personalizations and the customizations and the customized forms, just and because it is very complicated to be within someone is technical consultant. So, but the same or the something else that's the same regarding e-business. There is a business intelligence. So we will take an overview. What does business intelligence do, and its features. We will go inside its features, and we will give you how to search for the supply chain tables and how you can manage and see your standard Oracle Fusion standard reports and run it. This is this is the type of standard reports implemented inside the Fusion. It is totally different, totally analytics, totally graphics, totally different than e-business. Here it is more analytic, more graphics, and standard. You know, the business intelligence regarding an e-business. Okay, so let's say this is an overview regarding the supply chain course. Inshallah, it will be very interesting. Actually, we will present, as I told you, some of modules. It's very rare and only very few resources is working on, such as an order management and the advanced modules. One of these modules is a new module. So actually, if you are speaking about what is the new that I have learned. You will learn more than the usual courses in Oracle Fusion. So from my pleasure that I did you for you the demo regarding our course, and see you inshallah. Goodbye.